Yes, I'm doing another review on a wireless charger. This, at the time of making this video, costs around about £14, so it's not too expensive. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. This is from a company called UNBREAKcable. Not Unbreakable, UNBREAKcable. Okay, something to bear in mind. So a quick read of the back. It says 15-watt fast charge, portable design, and it's quite small. Reliable quality, bracket function. So with that, let's get her open, see what you get for your money. So we have instructions, and I would recommend that you read at least the safety bit of that. We have a activation card for your warranty, and it says 36 months, so make sure you fill that out, because otherwise you won't get your 36 months. We have a USB. So it's a USB to USB Type-C connection, and that's quite good length actually. I would say that's probably a metre. I'll have a quick measure up and tell you how long it is approximately. Right, it is about 970mm. It's not actually a metre, but still good length actually, which I was quite pleased about. And then we have the device itself, or the actual charger. So it says UNBREAKcable on the front, adds a USB Type-C connection on the side, and that is the stand. Yeah, it's a little magnet stand, see that? So that would go in there like that, and then sit like that. Now then, will it hold my phone? Oh, it's magnet, look. Let me plug it in. Right, something I haven't told you about the technology that's involved inside this device is it has something called QI capabilities. And if you don't know what that is, oh, there's a little click there. Did you hear that? Yeah, look, click. QI, basically it allows you to do fast charging. So if you have a smartphone, like me, and it has QI technology inside, you can do fast charging. Unfortunately, my phone, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, it has fast charging, but it uses a different technology. So I can't actually test it on fast charge. I'm sorry, but I just can't do it. Let's see if we can hold it in place. And I don't think we can. My phone is too slippery. The other thing it says in the instructions, if you've got a case for your phone, like this, you might find it doesn't charge it up. You might have to remove it. I will put this on as well in a second, once we make sure it's working properly. But that is too slippery. That's not going to hold my phone. So I'm not going to be using that. We're just going to put it down there like that, and plonk my phone on top like that, and that works. Right, so we know it can charge even at normal rate, but we can't test the fast charging like I said earlier, but we can see if it charged through my case. Yeah, put that back, go away you. Oops, I put it upside down, whoops. Right, now will it charge? Turn it off, and hopefully it will. Yes, so it will charge through your case, but if you do have any issues, remove your case. And also move your phone about, because you might have it in the wrong place. So, QI technology. It does 5 watt, 7.5 watt and 10 watt charging, providing your phone can do that. And on the back, it actually says 15 watt charging. I can't actually test that for the fast charging capabilities, but you do know it works, or at least it charges up. And for the amount of money it costs, £14 to be exact, and it's portable, does it get your Yorkies thumbs up? It does, but disappointed in the bracket, or the this bracket here. It looks nice, does what it's supposed to do, you know, makes it stand up like that, but it won't. Oh look! But it won't hold my phone up. But it will do with the case on. So it could be my phone just too slippery. See that? What can I say? It gets my thumbs up for the charging. It gives my thumbs up for holding the phone up if you want it on the bracket, but only if you've got a non-slippy phone, like mine was. So you have to pick the case on. And it charges it up like that. Can't win them all, can you? So with that, let me know in the comments whether you're thinking about buying one or you're thinking about getting a portable one like this. Or even if you bought one of these or you're thinking about buying this one, let me know. Be interesting to know. Don't forget, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to buy one. So it gets my thumbs up. Like I said, I can't do the actual fast charging part of it because my phone doesn't do fast charging, or not with that technology. It uses different technology. But yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. It looks nice. It does feel quite sturdy. Doesn't feel as though it's going to break. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Oh well. Better charge my phone up now, eh?